It's Kelvin. I'm back again. So as I had promised that I will talk on how to use MetaTrader 5, I'm back again. I will show you how to use MetaTrader 5. So as I'm back again, the MetaTrader 5, it is in our phone right now. So once you go to Play Store, you download the MetaTrader 5. It comes to your phone, you install it. It is there now. So we are opening the MetaTrader 5. After opening it, we will see what is entailed in MetaTrader 5. So I will teach you on how, or the platform and the dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 for you to be able to take trends or to be familiar with this platform or this app for you to trend. So without wasting time, I will tackle on the first thing that you see in MetaTrader 5. So the first thing that you see here, it's called quote. There is chart, trend, history, and messages. So for me, I will tackle on quote, chart, trend, and history. Stop with messages. They have no head on this. So let's start with quote. The quote means the currencies. This is the display, the first display. If you go to the chart, this is the chart. If you go to the trend, this is the trend. If you go to the history, that is the history. So let's start with the quote. If you come here in quote, the quote, they are currencies, commodities, or indices. So the next episode, I will deal with the currencies, indices, and all the commodities that I use in trading. So for us now to trade, we need the currencies. I understand that forex, it entails on the exchange of currency, but there is commodities and indices. So after that, this icon here plus means what? This plus here, this is the plus that I'm showing. This plus means what? So let me look about it. The plus means what? That is the addition of the currencies. For example, we want to earn GP USD. We'll come press the plus here, you search it. That is, we have seen that GBP, that is Great British Pounds versus USD dollars. USD, USD. You press it. So once you press it, it will display itself. As you can see, good trader, you will know these things they have. So simple. So after there, you may want to delete it. The icon that is here, the plus sign, it is for deleting. You press it, you come here, then you do what? You delete it. That good. I think that is good to go. Let's go to the chart. The chart here is the chart of the gold. That is the trading commodity that I have. You can see many drawings, whatever that, or stop with that. So I will deal one by one. The first thing that I will do is this plus here. The plus here, I think you can see it very well. I think you can see this plus. I think you can see it very well. The plus here. I'm talking with that plus, this one. So the plus there, it means what you need to know. So the plus here, this is calculation of the pips. That is all about the plus. For now, stop with the pips. I will teach on that. So know all about that. This one is about the indicator, if you want to add any indicator. So for today's, you have not learned or nothing about indicator. So for me, I use MACD. This one is saved. You can see there is a MACD. I have added another MACD. So you can see there is there is MACD. That is what I use. Now, that is all about that. This is time frames. You can use the time frame of your favorite. For me, I use H4. You can even use what? That is daytime. You can decide what that is, that minute time. Your favorite is okay. All that. Let's go to the next steps. That is the trends. Once, for now, I have not taken any trade. If you have taken a trade, it displays itself here. So the next episode that I will say here, I will have been taken a trade, so you will see all about that. So for today is the overview. You know the structures of the MetaTrader 5. That's all right. So after that, we'll come to the history for the trends that I have taken. For example, that is for the last week. That is yesterday, in fact, because today I haven't not taken any trend. For the you can see that I deposit 14. That is $14. Within a day, I was able to make $6. That is a small account now that I used to test some of my strategies. So now I think having that, we have finished with the charts, trade, and the history. Good to go. That's okay. That is good. Chart, trends, and the history. Stop with messages. They are not of important. The icon here, the icon here. For this one, I will tackle it the next episode on how to open a real account or a demo account. That okay? I will teach you on how to open a demo account. So for today's, we can stop there. But before we stop, one important that you should know is that in forex you need to learn it before trading. Once you trade without the knowledge or the skills, what do you require for you to trade? One thing, having the platform that is MetaTrader 5 good. That is having a broker. You open your account using a broker. I will teach you about that. For you to train forex, what you need to have, one, that is the platform. Another important thing is the knowledge, and that is where I will focus on the knowledge of trading. That is forex. You cannot come in the forex market to trade without knowledge. The important thing that you need to know is having the knowledge and the skills on how to trade in forex. Overview of that, I will just outline something that you need to know. In forex, for you to know when to sell, selling, it going down, yeah, it's selling. That is going up is buying. For you to know when the trade will go down and when the trade will go up, you need some knowledge. For example, if I'm buy here, the trend goes to my side, I will gain profit. If it goes against me, I will gain the losses. So let me show you. For example, if I buy here and the trend goes up like this one, it means that I will be getting the profit. If I buy here and the trend goes down, it means what? I will not having I will not I will be on losses. For example, if this is a trade here, if somebody, there is two traders here, they took their trade. So the trade one took the sale. If you took the sale, this person was on a profit. If you took the buy, it means that you are on loss. That's okay. That is how the forex it works and how serious it is. So you need to know that. So having that, I will teach when to buy and when to sell. So important thing that you should have in your mind is when to buy and when to sell. So without going nowhere or without ending this episode, the analyzation of when to buy or when to sell, they are branched into analyzation. The first analyzation is called technical analysis. The second one is called fundamental analysis. The third one is called what? Sedimental what? Analysis. And at the technical analysis, I will handle it on the third episode. This is my second episode. Note that. For the second episode, I was now teaching you the overview or how to use what? MetaTrader 4. So having that, the next episode, I will teach on technical analysis. and you can, and after teaching the technical analysis, I will show you how to take a trade, how the trades are executed. For example, this one, if I want to take a trade, I will come for a new order, then I take an trade. There is market execution, there is all about buy limit, sell limit, all that, but I will not enter in that. For today's, you can use MetaTrader. For, you know, the plus is for what, you know, the pencil sign is for what, you know, the quote, the chart, trade is trade messages. Having that, I have done my work of today. You know, all this one is for the settings. If you want to set it to be a light mode, a dark mode, if you want to estimate colors, all that, that is, you can even practice yourself. This is something that we will not waste time on that, but I will show on how to open a demo account and a real account at the end. So having that, I will stop my video there. So for WhatsApp people, you can find me through this number, that is 0700 36 36 28. Good. Have to go. Note my number. WhatsApp me on WhatsApp. I will help you in. If you want any question, comment it there. Subscribe to my channel to grow this community. For us now, you will know everything about forex. Good time. Have a blessed time.